Welcome to the JMT.
My people, we greet you now. Welcome now once again to this our news channel. I beg if you never subscribe to our news channel, make una do where to go subscribe and make una not forget to turn on notification bell as una dey subscribe. One not forget to like and share. Drop una comment for comment section. On today news, we all know say Yahaya Bello don dey missing. In fact, Efcc don dey do all they can to find the man, but they never still see the man. Now when that one they go on, lawyers don come outside. Not be one, not be two, not be three. They go reach like 300 to 400 lawyers. They don't come outside to talk say make Efcc know wetin they do. Say they don't understand wetin Efcc they come out they do. Say now so they want to destroy people political career and they don't like him. My people don't be small matter. I wanna see this thing. Many people that they talk say something is fishy. Say this man don't go pay lawyers to come talk about them. So I'm saying that they do their work. Wait till I think. I want to plan on the video. Make una hear what these lawyers get to talk concerning EFCC.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. It is glaring that the EFCC will soon become a shadow of its former self and lose its credibility if it doesn't discontinue from towing a path that will destroy the very fabrics of our rule of law and democracy. The same Nigerians are beginning to ask what cause exactly does the EFCC have to grind with the ex-governor of Kogi State that it was willing to risk its credibility for. It has become the talk of many in quarters. We are very careful not to conclude a haste that the FCC allowed itself to become a tool used by desperate politicians to advance their war of interests. The only succor is that the current president of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is a leader who gave his all to sustain our democracy. The president, at a point, became a victim of political witch hunt. We recall that the EFCC and the CCB were at different occasions used to harass and threaten him into giving up his cherished progressive ideas. It is our hope that the president himself, being a victim of such retrogressive practice, moved to ensure that nobody under his watch uses institutions of government to harass and threaten political opponents. We have equally submitted petition to the National Judicial Council and Mr. President asking that they use their good offices to call the EFCC to order and stop any form of abuse and disobedience of others.
People, if una don't watch the video finish, wait till I think, make una not forget to drop una comment for comment section. Now this one we can't give you now. Make una always do where to stay safe. Una do. DJ